Hello, my name is Juan Paulson, and I'm here to actually present this campaign, this empowerment we are actually providing for Nigerian students. Okay, so we are here talking about empowering Nigerian students to build global tech careers. So whatever I'm going to be sharing with you here is something that is going to actually help you to build a tech career while you're still in school. So you can take your free class, your free time to actually take and build this tech career while you're still in school. All right. So we are preparing you for the future. We are preparing you so that you can be able to navigate life after graduation by building a tech career through proactive skill development. So while you're still in school, you can build a tech career. I know some of you would want to learn computer programming, build a tech career, but because of you are in school, you have some academic loads and stuff like that. But we have created something that can actually help you achieve that dream while you're still in school. So this is presented to you by the Global Genius. All right. So my name is Juan Paulson. I'm a software developer. And by the grace of God, I am the one who developed the Global Genius platform. It is a platform where students learn computer programming, software development online. Okay, it is 100% online, self-paced. Anyway, we'll be talking more about that later on. But I am the founder and the developer of the Global Genius. So I base in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. And my background, okay, I'm very passionate about computer programming, software development, and entrepreneurship with over 10 years of experience in software development. But the thing with me is that I didn't study computer science. I actually studied biochemistry. So for those of you who think that you are not studying computer science, that you cannot take this, no, I studied biochemistry, and today I'm a software developer. All right. So these are my contacts, paulsintiti at gmail.com. Sorry, this is at gmail.com. And this is also my number. So paulsintiti at gmail.com. Sorry, that was a typo. All right. So what happens after graduation? That is the question we are asking you. When you graduate, what happens? All right. There are over 80% of Nigerian graduates facing unemployment or underemployment within their first year of graduation. The thing is this, you are most likely to be unemployed or underemployed when you graduate. It is a fact in Nigeria now. This is not like your pastor should pray for you or something like that. If you don't do anything right now, you could get unemployed. You could stay unemployed or you could be underemployed. I see some graduates doing pump attendant, sales guest, and stuff like that. That's not why you were in school. So your parents sent you to school to actually become somebody better, and the situation of the country has made a lot of things so bad for us. But you can actually take your destiny in your hand right now. So following this program that we are providing to you now, you can actually take and your destiny right now and change the narrative. Okay. So every year there are over 600,000 graduates. Every year there are over 600,000 graduates, but we only have fewer than 100,000 job openings. What does it mean? It means that every year 500,000 graduates will be unemployed. So the thing is this, you're most likely to be one of them if you do not do something about it now. Yes, you can just use your spare time. Your spare time is enough. When you're not in classes, when you're not even in school, you can use your spare time to learn computer programming, build amazing career in tech. Okay. So what is the problem statement? What are we trying to solve? We are trying to solve this problem because the job market is highly competitive and a degree alone may not guarantee you employment. A degree alone will not guarantee you employment. It is a fact. You know your brothers, your elder brothers, your cousins who have actually graduated and you know what life they are living right now in this country. So do something right now with this program that we are providing to you. So purpose of this presentation is to help you understand the realities of the job market and how self-paced online courses like ours can set you apart. So we want to bring to you the reality of the job market and how self-paced online courses like the one we provide can actually set you apart. So let's take a look at the Nigerian job market. What's the reality like? Every year, I have already told you that 600,000 graduates entered the market with fewer than 100,000 job openings. You might likely be one of them if you don't do anything about it today. So challenges graduates face. The first one is this. There is high unemployment and underemployment rates. You say, this is not something like, Pastor, pray for me. No, there are no jobs. There are no jobs. So you have to create one for yourself. All right. So there is very, very high unemployment and underemployment is very, very high. There is a mismatch between skills taught in schools and industry needs. Most of the things they teach you in school right now, they are not mainly relevant in the industry. The industry needs, there's a mismatch between the industry needs and the skills that you're being taught in school. And most times, there are limited job opportunities compared to the number of graduates. You have already seen it 600 to 100,000. 600,000 graduates to 100,000 job openings. And there is rise of automation and changing job roles. You can see what AI is doing these days. The AI, look at what AI is doing. Look at what ATM machine has done to people working in the bank, all those cashiers that the tellers that used to work in the bank. Look at what it has done to them. The technology is rising, is destroying our jobs. So you have to do something about it right now. So why a degree alone may not be enough? Let me let you know why a degree alone may not be enough for you. Okay. Outdated curricula, all right? Many university programs do not align with industry demands. See, I was at one of the schools, and then the students were complaining how what they are teaching, they don't even understand it, the condition, everything. They were just pissed off. They were very angry being in school. So this is how most Nigerian university students feel. But the thing is that you can change that narrative with our program that we are presenting to you right now. Now, there is lack of practical skills. What employers seek for is hands-on deck, hands-on experience and technical expertise. That's what employers are looking for. Nobody wants to employ you because they want to pity you. No, employers want to grow their companies, and they're looking for people who can actually give them what they want. All right. So the experience dilemma, okay. So fresh graduates often struggle to meet the experience requirements of job roles. These days, when you go to look for a job, they will tell you, "Do you have 3 years of experience?" Which is actually crazy. Somebody who is just graduating, you're asking them for 3 years of 3 years experience. So it doesn't make sense. So a career in tech could be a solution for you. All right. It doesn't have to take too much from you. We are presenting you with something so amazing. So take a look at what we are showing you here. Okay. Have you thought of a career in tech? Okay. Because Africa's tech industry is projected to create 3 million jobs by 2025. So there are job opening. There are a lot of job opportunities in tech right now. Many Nigerian students, they want to build tech careers, but they face challenges like lack of mentorship, practical training, or global exposure. Now, one thing we, the Global Genius, provide for you is mentorship. We don't just give you the course just like people who buy courses in Udemy. All right, they buy and they are left alone. No, after buying our course, we provide you with personal coaching, personal mentorship. There's practical training. After every course you take, there is a project you do, very, very practical. What you'll be building application software. That is what we provide for you, okay? Our software development courses are designed to help you overcome these challenges and achieve your dreams. All right. So let us explore alternative career paths. All right. Why choose software development? All right. Why are we telling you to take a look at software development? Growing demand for tech skills in Nigeria and globally. There's a growing demand for tech skills. All right. If you have these tech skills, if you're very good at it, there are a lot of job opportunities waiting for you. Now, this career, this job opportunity, they are very high paying. All right, fields like fintech, AI, and software engineering, they have these opportunities, they pay very high. You have some jobs, if you're very good at it, you can get some jobs that pay you $10 per hour, $10 to $30 per hour. You can work remote jobs. Now, the thing is that if you start now, before you graduate, you could be very, very, very good that you can start getting remote jobs. But you have to be very, very, very good at this thing. And that is what we teach you. All right. So opportunities for freelancing and remote jobs with international companies. You can be here in Nigeria and you're working remote jobs. All right. You can be freelancing. You can be earning $10 to $30 per hour. You work for 8 hours every day. That's 40 hours in a week. That is around four. If you're being paid $10 per hour, that's $400. All right, $400 per week. Calculate, do the mathematics. Even if you do $5 per hour and you work 40 hours a week, that's like $200. Do the mathematics. That's what you can get weekly. All right. So there's potential. You can also potentially start your own tech projects or businesses. Just like for me now, I have started my own project. All right. I have created a platform where I can use to help people like you to come and learn and build software development careers. Okay. So you can also transfer your skills like problem solving, creativity, and teamwork. You can transfer, you can teach other people. All right. So you can also make money from that. Okay. So let's take a look at salaries of software developers. Software developer salaries, they vary widely depending on factors like location, experience, specialization, and company size. But the thing is that if you stick to this plan, all right, build 6 to 12 months, 12 months to 24 months, you're going to be very, very good at this. And remember, it's you taking your spare time. 1 hour every day is enough. Just 1 hour every day, you can build amazing things here. So entry level, all right, globally, all right, 0 to 2 years is $40 to $80 annually. Do the mathematics. Just do the mathematics. Convert it in naira. Mid-level, 3 to 5 years, all right, of experience, $70 to $120 annually. Senior level, 6 years plus, $100 to $180 annually. All right. So, and if you even want to japa, all right, these people are looking for you. They are looking for people who have these skills. All right. They are looking for people who have these skills. So for United States, they pay entry level is $60,000 to $90,000. Mid is 100 to 140. Senior is 140 to 200. All right, in the United States. So if in case you want to japa, all right, for Europe, Western Europe, Germany, UK, they pay 40 to 100 euros. All right, Eastern Europe, Poland and Ukraine, this is what they pay. So this is what is possible for you as a developer, but you have to be very, very good. And that is where we come in. We come to help you, build you, and teach you so you can be very, very good with this. Okay. So in Nigeria, entry level 1.5 to 3 million naira annually, mid-level 3 million to 8 million naira, senior 8 million plus. It can actually vary. You can do more than this. Okay. So by specialization, back-end developers, all right, they are very the demand is very high, $80,000 to $150,000. Front-end developers, $70,000 to $140,000. So we also provide all these courses for you. But I will also teach you front-end development and back-end development, and we also provide you with full stack development too. This is $80,000 to $160,000 for full stack developers. Now, if you choose to specialize, you can just specialize on one particular field and be very good at it, and this is what you can get. So for mobile developers, $70,000 to $140,000. So this is what is possible for you. All right. So let us introduce the self-paced online development course that we are actually presenting to you. Okay, what is it like? All right. So these are flexible, very affordable, and industry-relevant courses that teach in-demand programming and technical skills. What we are teaching you is what is in demand, okay? Very flexible in the sense that you can take your classes at any time, all right? Nobody's mandating you to take a class at a particular time. You take your classes at your own spare time, whenever you're free. It is very, very, very affordable. As low as 10,000 naira, you can get started and start learning. We provide you with industry-relevant courses. Why do they matter? Because you'll be learning marketable skills alongside your degree. You build a portfolio of free work projects to showcase to employers. So after every course, you do projects, and these projects, you add them to your portfolio, and this is what employers would want. So we also provide you with global opportunities in tech, even as a student, okay? You can freelance, you can get remote jobs, okay? So top skills that you're going to get, you're going to be learning programming languages like Python and JavaScript. All right, you're going to be learning some problem solving and critical thinking skills, collaboration through version control, and self-paced learning helps. Okay, how does it help? If you learn at your own pace while managing academic responsibilities, all right, whenever you're free, when you go to class, you don't bother yourself. But whenever you come back from school, all right, instead of going to your neighbor to go and gossip or do one or two things, you can use your spare time to learn these things. 1 hour every day is enough. You have access to practical exercises and projects for hands-on experience. We keep you updated with the industry trends and technologies. Okay, so let's take a look at the Global Genius. All right. It is a learning management system where you can learn anything, everything. And we just started with tech, all right? And we started with tech and in software development. So what are the key benefits? 100% online and self-paced. Our platform is very, very available to you. It's 100% online. You don't have to go to any physical class, and it is self-paced. You take your classes at your own time. It is structured that way. There are flexible installment payment plan. You can start with at least 10,000. With 10,000 naira, you have gotten started. All right. So we made it very, very affordable for you, and you can also upgrade to bigger courses. Personal coaching and mentorship is guaranteed. Free books. You have access to other students in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you have hands-on learning. We work with real-world projects. Okay, so let me give you an example. In our web development course, where we teach you JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. At the end of that course, you'll be building a music and video streaming website, something like Spotify or Boomplay. All right, that's what you'll be building as a project. Just imagine how how amazing that could be. So business partnership through our referral system. So we also provide you with business partnership. If you refer your friends to us, you get some percentage. All right, you make some money. We also credit you with some percentage. So if you get your friends to buy our courses, you also get some money from there. So there's certification on course completion. All right. So after that, there's also a 3 months internship and possible employment. We will use this 3 months internship to prepare you for the world, for the industry, and then possibly also employ you if you're very good at what you do. So let's take a look at testimony from our first student. This lady is our first student. Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Deborah. Welcome to the Global Gender Space for Dummies. I'm down. I didn't call you a dummy, but let's be. Yeah, I'll take myself for an example. I didn't come from a tech background, and let me it was confusing, it was overwhelming. I even paid for I got my certificate, I graduated, but I didn't get the skills I needed. And that was it. So finding to me, and one of the things I really love about the Global Journeys is the fact that it's self-paced. So opposed to the rush boot camps over there, I just, I'm learning at my pace and I'm really learning. I'm not foreign. There's no rush. There's no beginner friendly, and that's why I called it for dummies. It's beginner friendly. Just how he's able to just break down this scary tech technologies is amazing. Another thing I really love about the platform is the mentorship. Like there was no time where I was learning and I got confused and I called on any of my mentors, and it feel like when you're thinking web development, you should think the Global Genius. I would recommend it over and over again. Watch out for this genius. Thank you very much.
All right. So now let's take you through our website and show you how this thing works. Okay, how our platform actually works. So I will go to, okay. So now this is my browser. I believe you can see it. So if you're using a mobile phone, this is how it will look. All right. So this is our platform, and you can actually start for free. We have some free classes for you, and these are reasons why you should actually learn from us. Okay. So you can actually, if you want to see more, you can actually click on these buttons. Okay. So we also have a code editor. So we designed this thing so that you can actually use your mobile phone to get started. You don't need to have a laptop. So this is a code editor. If you want to code, if you want to write some code, while the teacher is teaching, you want to follow along, you write some code there and you run it. So I can select the language I want. If I want to do JavaScript, I can just select JavaScript. If I want to write Python, I can select Python. If I want to write HTML, I can select. So at the end of it, I can click on run. These are just code that are here. So I can just click run. Okay. If I click run, all right, so this, you can see the output. Now this is the output of the code I run. Okay, so now this is it. So now you can also earn as you refer your friends, and these are some testimonies from our students. Okay, so you can actually do this to see more of them. So but now these are the courses that are available. You can start with JavaScript with just 10,000 naira. You can start with HTML, CSS, all right, or you can even start with React. Okay, now this one is 50,000 naira. We also have full stack for 150, and you can pay in installment. All right, and we also have the web development. This one has JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for 20,000 naira. We also have Python, okay? And we also have full stack with Django. So now, depending on what you have, all right, you can start with the list of 10,000 naira and you can upgrade, all right? If you buy JavaScript and you want to upgrade it to web development, to React, you can upgrade it. You can also, any one or two, you can upgrade to any one of these. So now, in order to make this video not to be too long, all right, I will be going back to my slide, and for people who would, I will have to skip this. Okay. So now let's address some common concerns. Okay. Now, I don't have a laptop. Already, I have told you that you can use your mobile phone to start to learn. On our website, you can write code and run your code. Will I get a job? Yes. Once you're very good at this thing, jobs are waiting for you. Is this worth it? Of course, it is really worth it. Go and make your inquiry. Go and check how the tech industry is booming. Okay, steps to take while you're still in school. get started. Take charge of your future right now. All right. Take charge of your future right now. Enroll in our self-paced software development course today. For at least with 10,000 that you have gotten started. All right. Start building your skills and portfolio while you're still in school. Join our community of learners and industry experts. And we thank you very much. We thank you very much for taking a look at this presentation. And please reach out to us. Reach out to us. Whoever sent you this video, reach out to them. And also, your future begins today. Thank you very much, and I will be waiting to hear from you. All right, our WhatsApp number. I think. Okay. Okay. So, with what you have seen, okay. With what you have seen so far, we'll be expecting to hear from you, and just hit us on these are my numbers. Okay, you can actually, okay, these are my numbers, my number here. So this is the WhatsApp number. Chat us up on WhatsApp. You can also email me at paulsonTT@gmail.com, and also whoever sent you this video, reach out to them, okay, and they can also guide you on how you can get to us. Thank you very much, and we'll expect to hear from you.